Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by restarting the Redmi Note 11 to clear temporary glitches. This often restores proper brightness control. Once done, go to Settings and turn off Auto Brightness or Adaptive Brightness so you can set levels manually. While you're there, inspect the top bezel area and wipe the ambient light sensor gently with a microfiber cloth. Dirt or a scuff can mislead the sensor and force dim screens. Make sure case or screen protector isn't covering the sensor, as that affects how the phone measures light. Next, verify MIUI and all apps are up to date because software bugs often change brightness behavior. Install any pending updates and reboot. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing low brightness. You'll know when the issue goes away. Make sure to reset display settings or clear the system cache for display services. This forces the phone to rebuild configuration files. If you make changes, test brightness after each step so you can identify the exact cause. Finally, run the built-in hardware tests in the phone info menu to check ambient light and proximity sensors. This confirms whether hardware is failing. If tests fail and software fixes didn't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last software attempt. Make sure you've saved everything first. If the reset doesn't fix it, arrange professional repair or sensor replacement because physical sensor faults require hardware work. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, log when dimming happens to help a technician diagnose the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.